Auto pause. Workout resume.
That should be better now. So let me record this again. Good morning, everybody. Carlos here. Running back from an 11k run at the golf course. I'm now in Bow Park on the Feltham Trail, thinking about the Bird in Hand in Pennsylvania. It's all going
Time
to be
1 hour 20
happening.
minutes. Distance 8.82 kilometers. Average heart rate 129. Workout average pace 9 minutes 4 seconds per kilometer.
Over there, across the pond, well no, across the continent,
Zone 4.
I should say. Hello. Hi, little dog. Yep. Beautiful,
Zone 3.
breezy Saturday morning here in British Columbia. This is one of the little trails that connect two subdivisions. It used to be a creek, and now it's a dog walkers and runners trail. Cyclists are tolerated
Zone 2.
on this trail, but
Time
it
1
is
hour 31
predominantly
minutes. Distance 8.92 kilometers. Average heart rate 135. Workout average pace 9
pedestrian
minutes
trail.
4 seconds per kilometer. Zone 1.
I'm hoping that you all have wonderful weather for the Bird in
Zone 2.
Hand, and that you all meet your goals, whatever they may be, whether it's to finish the 5k or the
Zone 3.
half marathon, or just to go and cheer on your lovable amigos and amigas. I will be
Zone 2.
anxiously waiting for all those reports that will come piling in to Kevin's inbox after the
Zone 3.
event. Pretty
Time 1
sure
hour
he has a
22
few
minutes. Distance 9.03 kilometers.
recordings
Average heart rate 125.
up
Workout
his
average pace 9
sleeve.
minutes 4 seconds per kilometer.
Yep, I think
Zone
I
2.
have Samantha on with a little too much information. But there you go.
Zone
Pretty
1.
soon I'll be on asphalt again, and I'll be crossing Lambrick Park and going home to upload this shout out for the Bird in Hand
Zone 2.
2025. Good luck, everybody. May it be real for you. I hear a cyclist.
Zone 3.
They turned off just behind me. So
Time 1
this
hour
is the
23
running
minutes.
backward.
Distance 9.15 kilometers. Average heart rate 123. Workout average pace 9 minutes 4 seconds per kilometer.
About 1 mile from my fridge, saying bye-bye.